Who is a God-man? This creation in which we are living today can be divided into 4 categories. We have got the mineral kingdom, the vegetable kingdom, the animal kingdom, and the human kingdom. The stone belongs to the mineral kingdom. It is inert and just has existence. It has got no awareness. Next comes the vegetable kingdom. There, the beginnings of awareness are seen, and a vegetable moves towards food, that is light. More advanced than the vegetable kingdom is the animal kingdom. Animal kingdom has got greater awareness than the vegetable kingdom. An animal is more caring and provides food and shelter for its siblings and dependents, and also moves around to give them better facilities. The highest awareness potentiality is available in the human kingdom. The evolution from stone to the animal kingdom is under the control of nature, whereas a human being has got the special faculty of the intellect by which he can accelerate his evolution. An animal walks on 4 feet, but a man stands on 2 feet. He's got feet on the ground and his head is on the top. Human beings are also divided into 4 categories. We have got stone men, we have got vegetable men, animal men, and man. A stone man just exists and he depends on others. A vegetable man, he is more aware and he only is interested in his own food and shelter. An animal man is hardworking, he's caring, he's loving, and he provides food and shelter for his siblings and his other dependents. He also moves around, exerts himself to give them better facilities. The highest possibility which is there in a human being can be developed. A human being has got the form of a man, but he has got the instincts of an animal. First, he has to subdue his animalistic instincts to enable himself, to prepare himself, to qualify himself to understand life, understand the scriptures. And with the help of scriptures, he can enhance his growth. He can fully develop his intellect, and once he has fully developed his intellect with the help of the scriptures, then he can also prepare himself to go beyond the intellect. A God-man is that man who has gone beyond the intellect. He becomes the support and a guide for the whole creation. He is the roof and crown of evolution, of creation. He has fulfilled the purpose of his life. He becomes like a lighthouse for the whole generation in which he has come. We are very fortunate to have a God-man amongst us, and he is our own Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda. Hari Om. To know how to become a God-man, you can join a study group in over 300 Chinmay Mission centers throughout the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda, a God-man himself. You can join a study group in your area. You can also watch Ranjot Kalra's playlist of videos on Kindle Life authored by Swami Chinmayananda.